point, I thought my arm was, I thought it became trapped.
First at 7, it's the day just about everyone has been waiting for in the Ray Tenzing murder retrial, when Tenzing himself took the stand and talked about what he says happened when he shot and killed Sam DuBose. Ray Tenzing was emotional on the stand, breaking down into tears at times. Was it enough? All that's left are closing arguments before the jury gets the case. 9 on your side's Tom McKee breaking down the key moments from today. Tom?
Well, after Sam DuBose was shot by Ray Tenzing, DuBose's vehicle continued about 100 feet, or 100 yards rather, down Rice Street and crashed at Valencia Street. It was there that Tenzing and 2 other officers approached it, and what happened next was the subject of very intense questioning in court today. Now, DuBose's car was still racing at the time, and Tenzing went to shut it off. He had fellow UC officers, Philip Kidd and Dave Lindenschmidt, point their weapons at the car as he approached. Now, Tenzing was questioned about what he did or did not do next, first by attorney Stu Matthews and then by assistant prosecutor Seth Teager.
I didn't know at the time if Mr. DuBose had been struck or not, and I told him to cover me while I went around his car to shut the car off so it didn't keep screaming.
You did successfully shut the car off?
Yes, sir.
Did you know Mr. DuBose's condition at that point?
I did look at him, and he did have what appeared to be a wound on his head.
Do you know whether he was still alive?
I didn't know at that point.
Tell us, Mr. Tenzing, why didn't you ask Sam DuBose how he was?
I was in shock.
That's your explanation?
This happened so fast. I was just in shock at what had just happened.
You didn't have trouble telling anybody how much your arm and your knee hurt, did you, Mr. Tenzing? Even though you were allegedly in shock.
I was making those comments, and I don't remember making those comments until after I watched the body cam.
Very, very emotional questioning, very, very different line of questioning from the prosecution and the defense, as you would expect. Very, very confrontational. As you said, we have jury closing arguments on Monday, and the jury could begin deliberations. We know they will be sequestered until they reach a verdict one way or the other. Tom McKee, 9 on your side, live at the Hamilton County Courthouse downtown.
All right, Tom.